Look at that beautiful beard.
What's up, bro?
Dude, what's up with you, man?
How you been?
I'm locked out.
Yeah, I know.
I'm fucking stoked to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
The man!
I'm here Tuesday and Saturday next year.
Oh yeah, dude. Happy to see that. I'm excited, dude. You guys ready? Want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your team?
Gators, but they're not playing football.
Gator bait, Gator bait, Gator bait, Gator bait. Ooh. Is that what they just did? Whoa, Eagle!
Hey, while you're here.
You guys want some vodka crayons?
Yeah.
Vodka water? Regular vodka or was it Tito's?
Tito's. I like the way it's Tito's.
Yeah, the Tito's is a lot more fun. The Bourbonus bump. Bourbonus bump. Oh shit. Keep me in mind. Do you need a lime or anything? 22. Hell yeah. Yeah, man. And yeah, man. Trigger. Shoot to kill. Way to thrill. Too many women and too many pills. Oh, take it down. Down, down, down. $1, please. Water kick challenge. Water kick challenge. Do I have any deals? Sir, you came into the right bar. Do you realize? But I like it. And you know you like it too. The way that I found you. Yeah, I gotta have it. Lock the cellar door and baby, talk dirty to me. Brother, just to see you at the drive-in in the old man's Ford. What's that? Right here, man. You're gonna see some shit tonight because we are literally running out of CO2 as we speak.
I was gonna say, we're trying to get a beer, but...
What do you need, guys?
I'll take 2 quarters light. Cream never night.
$1, brother.
Good, man.
Thanks, dude.
Hey, we came back to see you. We had such a good time last time.
Hell yes, dude. That makes me feel good. Lock the cellar door and baby, talk dirty to me.
If the beer goes, how? Because they're fixing the lines.
Close. And baby. $2. $1, man. Sorry about that. I like you. Easy like Sunday morning. This is such a good song. Can you see? $1, man. So 2 more? One to garden. Thank you. $5. Yeah, man. $2, man. go, by the way.
Exactly.
Yes. Awesome. Respect. Huh. Talking to me? Are you talking to me? Some good shit right here. It's grenadine, it's not really cut. Look at that. Bam! Fixed! Woo! Oh no! Bear down, Chicago Bears! Is our beer up yet? Damn. Yeah, man! Woo! 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 $3, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, man! High five, man! Big tip, $5! Wow! You take a mortal man. Where we at? I'm just gonna get this done. Thank you for messing your feet up for my freedom, bro. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. What? No, because we're out of beer right now. This is plan B right now. Of destruction! $2, guys. Thank you very much, guys. $0.50 a piece. And only 99 calories. Thanks, Ballast Point. This video was brought to you by Ballast Point Lager. Yo, Ballast Point, where's my money at? I've been promoting you guys all day. $1, man. Thank you, guys. $55. Come on, feel the noise. Girls, rock your boys. Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, I'll be right there, okay? Fun one to sing. We drive you wild, we'll drive you crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you. Party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. Law, breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. Have a cherry. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Hell yeah. Big tip, $15. Yeah, man.
Big tip, 16 on the rail.
What is this? $3, guys. We just lost our beer for like half the hour. So now it's coming back. It's gonna get busy. Gonna keep on rocking. We won the time to be a jukebox hero. escape from reality. Look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy. I need no sympathy because I'm easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. To me. Thank you, ma'am. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. I see a little silhouette of a man. Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo Figaro, I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. Spare him his life from his monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go, Miss Miller? No, we will not let you go. What would you like? No, 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 no. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Beelzebub has the devil put aside for me, for me, for me. So you think you can stone me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? No, baby. Can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out. Just gotta get right out of here.